Morning, my dear young friends. We are going to deal with a very interesting plant, a simple plant made in India, Guava java. This is the guava leaf, which you can see as a small bunch. You can find a fruit and a ripe fruit that gives you plenty of energy with low calories. It can support you for immunity, but calories are just 37. So, in 37 calories of energy with high immunity power, this gives you plenty of pectin, fiber, and that gives you moral support to general body health. We are going to deal with the holistic health care for diabetes, and I suggest this plant, guava, as the best plant for this. In our simple research, as I said, we wonder at small things, not at great things, but small things. And this guava, a very small plant at your garden, just behind, and you can pluck off, you can take the fruits and munch. So, this guava is now suggested as the fruit and plant leaf for diabetes. So, the multi-dimensional, multi-purpose medicinal plant can be used in different ways. Now, diabetic control. You take only 5 leaves from this bunch and then make a decoction in 1 liter. And this 1 liter water should be kept for 3 edible times: morning, lunch, dinner. After morning's breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, take only 200 ml of this drink, and you will find you have a wonderful stomach, no pain, no vomiting, no diarrhea, no special problems of ulcer, and a very fine, comfortable day with full energy. At the same time, you will find your machines meters will show less sugar, low cholesterol, low pressure. The pressure will not be very low, it will be just 10% lower than your unusual pressure. So, slowly you can maintain. So, it is a pressure maintaining plant. This gives you plenty of good effects, but it can also maintain good health. You can have a comfortable knee. If you have a knee pain, just grind the leaves to paste with a little bit of salt. Apply, and you will find the knee pain is relieved. It will be a great support for you if you have additional renal problems. Now, when you have some renal problem like irritation, itching, ulcerous feeling, stomach pain, and all that, you will definitely find a relief out of this. So, what is special about this? This is a plant, a very simple plant with some phenolic compounds, isoflavonoids, gallic acid, and carotenoids in the fruit. Plenty of things, ascorbic acid and carotenoids are plenty in the fruits. Now, this is an ideal fruit, the richest fruit for diabetic people. So to say, it has got double the amount of vitamin C of our ordinary apple. So it's more than an apple, and the red seeded one is still better. And this fruit can be scooped, the seeds can be removed, and you can make a soft munch of this pulp fruit. Everybody can enjoy, and this will be a real help, support for you. And I want you to remember, in addition to this guava, if you take that insulin leaves in the morning with a little bit of curry leaf, ordinary curry leaf, your diabetic control will be still better. If you have about 200, I think it is high time you think about it. If you have a random sugar 200 plus, do think about this curry leaves and 5 insulin leaves in the morning. That will bring it down, and you will find a comfortable drink with this decoction after breakfast, your sugar level will come down and your cholesterol level also will come down. So you won't go in for risk like simple strokes or anything in future. This is a very good plant with antioxidants in plenty, and it has got potassium also. So it is good for heart. It strengthens the heart, and you can comfortably go in for any work and do good work. Now, in addition to this, I would like to suggest a food supplement, rather a supplementary diet. In clinical nutrition, what is very important is an ordinary plant to use as decoction, a supplementary herb which has to be taken, and a complementary diet. So this is nothing but pudina, mint. Now this mint has to be taken with a part of, or two or more parts of nice allium sativum. This is garlic. This supports in bringing down your cholesterol. In addition to this, it is also very important peeled ginger. The ginger which is peeled off a small bit. So ginger, garlic, mint chutney or a tokku or a mix is ideal for diet. I wish everybody a very good time in making your diabetic problems simple. And in the next moment, I will tell you about a very important, more interesting one about Mangifera indica, the mango plant, which is equally good. At the same time, that plant has got wonderful medicinal value. So wait for the next one, which comes with Mangifera indica or mango leaves. Stay with us with health and be happy